Hi friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn something about a modal verb could. It has different usages in sentences. So without any delay, let's dive into it. Here you can see can, present, could, past. Can is also a modal verb. It is usually used to talk about a present ability. He can play football. You can see a sentence here. You can see it. He can play football. What is the sentence? He can play football. This is a present ability. Okay. When it comes to could is the past form of can. And one of the usages of could is simple. It is used to talk about a past ability. For example, he could play football when he was younger. He could play football when he was younger. This is a past ability. Okay, he can play football. It is the first sentence, the meaning of the first sentence is it is a present ability. Okay, but the meaning of the second sentence is just look at it. What is the meaning of this second sentence? Yes, it is a past ability. It indicates a past ability. Okay. Next, polite request. Suppose we need a pen, but we don't have it. So we have to ask someone else with politeness. In that situation, we can ask the question like this. Could you give me your pen, please? Could you give me your pen, please? Second sentence. Could I ask you a question, please? Could I ask you a question, please? Third example. Could you buy some fruits for me? Could you buy some fruits for me? Okay. Next, possible situation. To talk about possible situations, we can use the modal verb could. For example, the train could be late. The train could be late. We are saying about a possibility. Okay. The train could be late. Next, they could be at home. They could be at home. They could be at home. Next, it could rain tomorrow. It could rain tomorrow. It's a possibility. Okay. It could rain tomorrow. Next, permission. To ask for a permission, we need the modal verb could. For example, could I meet the manager? Could I meet the manager? We are asking for a permission. Okay. Could I meet the manager? Next, could I spend some time with her? Could I spend some time with her? We are asking for a permission. Okay. Could I spend some time with her? Next, could I go out? Could I go out? Could I go out? Okay.